guys know, but here we're crazy about Game of Thrones. And I had an argument with my mother today. He locked the door. Alright, Mama, I have a better one for you today, man.
What's that?
What about if the Night King marries Daenerys?
That's crazy, bro. There's gonna be an even bigger war.
Alright, Mama, I think that's what's gonna happen, bro. The Night King is gonna marry Daenerys, and that's it. That's gonna be the end of the war, bro.
I don't think so, Ninja.
Bro, I have a crazy idea, bro. Hold on. Let me look for my ninja bomb. Hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tales. Today we have a beautiful video for you guys. We have a big confrontation, a big battle, a big evil versus good and stuff, man. This is gonna be awesome. I want you guys to see it. And then at the end of the video we have a new section that I think you guys are gonna like it. So let's go.
This morning I went to the supermarket and I found these two beautiful pieces of meat in there for a really good price. They are both certified Angus beef, and as you can see, this picanha is full of marbling. And look at these beautiful two steaks, man. I am in love with it. Look at the marbling on those steaks and the fat in there. This is all gonna render on the fire and it's gonna be an amazing tasting steak. You know me, man, so the ribeye is gonna be the Night King and the picanha is gonna be the Silver Queen. Silver Queen because it only goes with salt, and the ribeye we're gonna prepare our famous coffee rub, man. That is gonna be awesome. Picanha, as you know, is the queen because it's so simple and so flavorful that it's amazing. All you have to worry about is to cut the steaks with the grain. If you're gonna make steaks out of the picanha, you have to cut it with the grain. And all we want to put on this baby is gonna be salt. Look at the marble in this picanha, it's amazing. If you already tried the picanha, you know that it's a different kind of flavor. It's not something that any other cut will give you. And the flavors on it are amazingly awesome. If you never tried picanha, you should try it because it's a completely different cut and a completely different experience. For this picanha, all we're gonna do is we're gonna put some grilling salt on it. Of course, if you're gonna be grilling, that's what I would recommend. If you look at what I'm doing right now, you will think that I'm putting a lot of salt on it. And it's not. All I'm doing is creating a kind of a barrier to keep all those juices inside the steaks so they don't come out. And that's what the salt does. It creates a crust outside and keep all those juices inside. Alright, if you're watching, you know what's coming, guys. Look at these beautiful steaks. The colors, the marbling, the fat in there. Everything is perfect in a perfect proportion. Oh my god, I'm in love with this thing. As you can see, we don't even need to cut them. It's perfect the way it is. And those colors are amazing, and I can't stop looking at them. The more I look into these babies, the more I think about the queen. She has a real battle here. For she to win this thing, she have to come out amazing. So let's put them aside and let's create a rub. And I would like to welcome you to the Ninja Coffee Rub, guys. We're going to create everything from scratch. It's going to be a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of coffee, a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of chili powder, and a little bit of paprika. Let's mix this thing up really well and let's start putting it on the steak. Look at that texture, oh my goodness. To apply the rub, all we have to do is put it on top of the meat. Make sure that you cover every section of the steaks. And then you pat them down a little bit just to make sure all those flavors are getting there. I'm going to put this rub everywhere. I'm going to put it on top, I'm going to put it on the bottom of the steak, I'm going to put it also on the sides of the steak. So every single part of the steak get that flavor on it. And it's an amazing flavor. If you never tried it, I have my recipe on the description below. Check it out. And make sure you give it a try because this come out amazing. All it's missing is to leave these guys resting for about 20 minutes together with the picanha. Let's get ready for the barbecue. Once the barbecue is ready, all I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in there and I'm going to let them go all the way to 125 degrees. That's pretty much all I need. As you can see, I'm using the method of reverse sear, and all you have to do is when they hit the 125 degrees, put it on the fire, right on top of the fire, and you're going to see all those bubbles and all those little burnt things coming out, man. This is what really brings these steaks alive. For the picanha, it's a little different. We want to put them right on top of the fire. And you have to be careful with the flares. Don't let them get burnt. But keep an eye on them, let them cook well, and it's going to be an awesome steak.
Okay, it's time to give it a try, guys.
Let's go.
Let's
I'm
go for
hungry.
it. Okay, you want to start with the Night King or with the Silver Queen?
I want the Night King.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Night King first. Ooh. Wow, guys. This one is awesome. This one is good. This one is delicious, brother. Oh, I'm sorry, Jorge.
Jorgito is here.
Look who's here. Look who's back. Mr. Georgie.
Hello, boo-boo.
This is so good, guys. I mean, you know I don't want to give it a delicious before trying the other things, but this is good.
This is really good.
All right, let's go for the picanha.
Let's go.
Man. Oh, brother. Are you ready for the picanha?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Oh, baby. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, guys. Wow, guys, this is a big battle here.
It is.
Picanha is delicious, brother. This is awesome, man. You have to try, man. This thing is amazing. We know both are great. Now, we have to take a decision here.
We do. We
All right.
definitely have to.
Miss Ninja, who's the winner for you?
My personal taste, because of the fat, I liked better the King.
The King.
The
She
King.
liked the Night King better than the Queen, guys.
The King for me is because the fat has a different taste.
The King is awesome. The King is amazing. The King is tender, beefy, juicy, awesome flavor. That coffee rub is crazy good, guys. You gotta try it. If you haven't tried it, you gotta try it. It's amazing. And then it's me. I have to go with the Queen. I have to go with the Queen. I have to go with the Queen.
Always goes
No.
with the Queen.
No. Listen. The King is awesome, man. But that Silver Queen, she's so mellow. And that flavor it has is so nice, so rich, so juicy. I have to go with her.
That's one thing, yeah. It has a very rich flavor. My personal opinion, I like the mild flavor of the King. That's why I like it better.
Well, the thing is, she have a problem with fat. She don't like a lot of fat on the meat. I love the fat because the fat is the one that brings all those flavors into the meat. And I love it. That's why, for me, the Silver Queen is the winner, is the
Why winner? It's a tie. It's
For me.
a tie
I say for
him.
me, for
Oh,
me.
Okay.
That's why we have to look for somebody else to give her a try again. I guess we have to do this one again, guys.
I guess so.
I don't know.
What do you think?
I don't know. It's good. It's awesome, man.
Don't invite our neighbors. Too many.
Celebrity news.
All right, as I promised in the beginning of the video, we have a new session here today where we're going to answer a few comments from you guys from the last video.
Yes.
So the first one is, you know who it is, an observation. He says from the chicken wings that we did last weekend, which was Italian versus Buffalo, he say, I'm Italian, I never seen that sauce before. What I'm even doing with my life. Man, you're awesome. You're amazing. You're a great, great friend. And we really appreciate all the support that you give us. So, I don't know, bro. They say it's Italian because they put that cheese in there, which is amazing.
It was really
And
good.
the taste is awesome. So, let's go with the next one.
And Marcelo, he said, dude, the quality of the video is absolutely crazy.
Thank you.
Marcelo. That was awesome. And remember always that we love you.
We're working hard and coming out with ideas
Yes.
and figuring things out as we go. You know, everything is new for us. We've never done this before, so it's a lot of fun, guys. It's a lot of fun.
It is.
All right, let's go to the next one. This is gonna be the last one. All right, Ninja, you step up the production quality quite a bit. Very nice. Congrats on the Ninjet on the medal.
Even my daughter
Thank
has
you
a
so
dog.
much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. She's doing great. Today she had another competition. She got another medal, and we are some proud parents here, guys.
Yes, we are. Thank you.
We are really proud. She's doing great in school. She's doing great in skating, and everything is going okay. So thank you so much. And that's it for the news session today, man.
Da-da-da-da-da.
That was the news section. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you like it, please hit us with a like.
Yes, please.
If you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to the channel, man.
Cling, cling,
We are
cling.
so glad to have you here. It's an honor for us to do it with you guys. And if you have anything to say, any comment, any idea, any suggestion, put it down there in the comments. For you guys, remember that the foodie is not gone away. The foodie is coming back.
Yes.
I know you like the foodie, so the foodie is coming back, okay? We just putting everything here in order and trying to make everything work in a way that it will always work and we don't have these problems.
Give me time. We're still in competition season. Our daughter's quince is coming.
We have
We're busy.
we brought another medal, guys.
Yes, and we have a huge surprise for you guys. So keep tuned.
So prices are coming.
So our major, huge ones.